Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can check your graphics card on Windows 11. So for that, first you have to open Device Manager. You can click on Start menu and click on Search, and in here you can search for Device Manager and click Enter or click on the Device Manager icon. After that you will find all the devices under your desktop, I mean your computer, desktop or laptop. So from here you have to click on display adapters and click the arrow sign beside the display adapter. After clicking that, it will show you your graphics card name. So here it is showing your graphics card name, my graphics card name. You can also find your graphics card in this similar process by opening Device Manager and going to display adapters and clicking on this arrow, and it will show your name, show your graphics card name here. So for me it is showing my graphics card name. You can simply find your graphics card name in similar process. So that's how you find your graphics card name in Windows 11, and this process works also in Windows 10 and 8. I don't know about 7, but it should work in 7 as well. So that's all for today. If you want more contents like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.